United Nations Security Council will hold close consultation today to discuss the escalating tensions between India and Pakistan following the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack. The Greek presidency has scheduled a meeting for this afternoon after a request from the close consultation from the Islamabad. Pakistan's Foreign Office said yesterday that it would brief the United Nations on the regional developments in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack, including the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty by India. This important diplomatic move is part of the Pakistan's effort to present accurate facts to the international community, said the Foreign Office of Pakistan, a non-permanent member of the 15-nation Security Council. Also, apart from the 5 veto-wielding permanent members, that is China, France, Russia, UK and the United States, the 10 non-permanent in the council are Algeria, Denmark, Greece, Guyana, Pakistan, Panama, South Korea, Sierra Leone, Slovenia and also Somalia. Greece holds the presidency of the body for the month of May. When asked about the Pahalgam attack and resulting India-Pakistan tensions, permanent representative of Greece to the United Nations and president of the United Security Council for the month of Ambassador, that is Evangelos Sakaris, had earlier remarked that this is a position of principle. We condemn terrorism in all its form everywhere it is happening. On the other hand, we are concerned about this tension which is mounting in the region. India has suspended the Indus Water Treaty, citing the sustained cross-border terrorism from Pakistan after the terror linking to its neighboring country emerged in the Pahalgam attack. Also, a week ago, India also warned the United Nations over the Pakistan's misusing and undermining the global forum to indulge in propaganda and make baseless allegations against India. India has also reached out to 8 non-permanent members, nations of the Security Council, as part of the diplomatic offensive. Denying responsibility for the attack in Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan has called for a neutral investigation. Last week, Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations Ambassador Asim Iftikhar Ahmed has also said that his country has the right to convene a United Nations General Meeting and when we feel appropriate.